All right. Sorry about that. We got a little cut off. So that's the kit there. But I'm pretty sure it's going to make something like this here in the basket. I don't know. Regardless, I'm excited about it because, I mean, it's Cricut. And it says material kit set to use with your Cricut Explorer or Cricut Maker machine. But it has all this fancy stuff right here. So I'm super excited about that. Hopefully I can make other things once I learn that. And there's 2 padded mailers in here. I'm not really sure what's in here. And there's not even really, oh wait, here we go. There is a way to open it. It's a padded mailer. I think it's like sheets of paper or vinyl or something like that. I'm not really sure. Ooh, yeah. We got, look at that. It's glitter. Hopefully it's not the glitter that comes off, because you know me, you know I don't use glitter. It says it's cutting glitter iron-on. Iron-ons. Yay. I don't have much of the iron-on materials. And it looks like, oh, that's the instructions. I'm not sure how many's in there, I forget. But if you get the spring cleaning bundle, you would know what that is. Now, I was told this kit had 2 Cricut Cuties, but I only see 1, which is fine, I don't care. So this one's a glitter iron-on black value cap. It's pretty heavy. I don't know if I can get it open. It's a big monster roll is what it is. Look at that. And that is some pretty sparkly glitter iron-on. And that's a big fat roll there. Like I can look right through the camera lens with that. And then the last thing in this box is my Cricut Cutie Lilac. That one I'm going to open because I've heard people are getting them and he's been broken. Even if he's broken, I can glue him because he's a Cricut Cutie. And there's my Cricut Cutie. Yay! So I don't know where I'm going to put him, but I bought 4 of the Cricut Spring Cleaning vinyl kits, or bundle kits, and I got all of this wonderful goodness here. So there's my video for Spring Cleaning bundle number 3, and there's my Cricut with my saying on it. Crafting is the only way to escape without leaving the home. And these stars are what my husband made trying out the chipboard. So they just sit there. Thanks for stopping by. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a fabulous day.